Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy mushroom soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite mushrooms like cremini or button, along with 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Don't forget 1 cup of rich heavy cream, some butter, olive oil, and fresh thyme for that perfect aromatic touch. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's build that foundational flavor. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add your diced onion and minced garlic, cooking until they're soft and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Then, introduce your sliced mushrooms. Cook them patiently over medium-high heat until they release their moisture and achieve a beautiful, deep brown color. This browning step is crucial for a rich, earthy taste. Next, we'll bring everything together. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Let the soup simmer gently for about 15 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld. For a luxurious texture, carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup, then return it to the pot. Finally, stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and heat it through gently, ensuring it doesn't boil. To finish, taste your creamy mushroom soup and adjust the seasonings. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh thyme until it's just right for your palate. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and consider garnishing with a swirl of extra cream, some fresh chopped parsley, or crispy homemade croutons for a delightful crunch. Enjoy this comforting, homemade creamy mushroom soup. It's truly a treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.